Top 5 Amazon Thanksgiving decoration finds under $20. 5. LED maple leaf garland. Artificial maple leaves intertwined with a 16.4-foot string of 40 LEDs with a warm autumn glow, bringing a cozy and festive ambiance to your surroundings. 4. Cheesecloth table runner. This reusable and washable cheesecloth table runner adds an elegant touch to any Thanksgiving table setting. Ideal for various occasions and perfect for layering your fall decor. 3. Disposable Thanksgiving paper plates. Serve your feast in style with this pack of 48 plates, which includes 24 sturdy dinner plates and 24 dessert plates, each with a Thanksgiving theme design. 2. Artificial harvest decoration set. The set includes maple leaf, pumpkin, acorns, and pine cones. The lifelike and realistic look will greatly increase the atmosphere of all festivals. 1. LED mini string lights. Its 20-pack battery-operated 20 LEDs are perfect for festive decorations and creating a romantic atmosphere. So just follow your heart to DIY your life. Decorate your home this Thanksgiving. Check out these budget-friendly finds from the link in bio.